What if the ocean is not silent at all? What if, somewhere deep beneath the surface, something released a sound so powerful it crossed an entire ocean basin? A sound not made by any known animal, not caused by any ship, not triggered by any earthquake. And what if, even after decades of research, science still doesn't have a complete answer? This isn't a rumor. This isn't speculation. This is a real acoustic event, recorded from the depths of our own planet. And once you understand what happened, the ocean will never feel empty again. The ocean we don't see. When we look at the ocean, we see the surface, waves, reflections, sunlight. But the surface is a lie. Below it lies a world so vast and hostile that humans cannot survive there for more than minutes. As depth increases, light vanishes. At a certain point, even the color blue disappears. Everything becomes black. Pressure builds relentlessly. At extreme depths, it's enough to crush steel, to collapse submarines, to turn solid objects fragile. And yet, this is not a dead world. It's alive. The deep ocean moves, it shifts, it vibrates. And because light is useless, their sound becomes the only way to understand it. Sound doesn't just travel underwater, it dominates. A single low-frequency sound can move for thousands of kilometers, bending around the planet itself. So scientists don't just explore the ocean visually, they listen. And most of the time, what they hear makes sense. Until one day, it didn't. The discovery, when the ocean spoke back. During routine acoustic monitoring, sensors picked up a signal that immediately stood out. At first, it didn't seem dramatic, just another waveform. But then researchers noticed its scale. The sound was detected across multiple listening stations separated by enormous distances. Distances no ordinary ocean noise should cross so clearly. As they reconstructed the data, a strange picture emerged. The sound wasn't sudden. It didn't explode into existence. It rose slowly, like something awakening. Then it fell, then rose again, not randomly, not chaotically. It followed a curve, and that alone was enough to raise concern. Because nature is loud, but rarely deliberate. Every sound in the ocean leaves a fingerprint. Marine animals produce rhythmic calls. Ships generate steady mechanical noise. Earthquakes create violent, chaotic bursts. This sound didn't fit any category. Its frequency was unusual. Too low for most animals, too smooth for geological events, even more unsettling. Its source appeared to come from a depth, where pressure reaches unimaginable levels. At those depths, most known technology fails, and most known life shouldn't exist. Yet the sound was strong, stable, clear. It wasn't struggling. Whatever caused it was operating comfortably in a place humans can barely imagine. To understand the mystery, scientists relied on hydrophones. Hydrophones are designed to hear what humans can't. They detect vibrations, not just audible sound. Using time delays between sensors, researchers can estimate where a sound originated. They did exactly that. The calculations pointed to a remote region of the ocean, far from major shipping routes, far from constant human activity. They ran comparisons, adjusted models, filtered known noise, and each time the result stayed the same. This sound was an outlier. The first explanation was ice. Large ice formations can crack and shift, producing powerful low-frequency sounds. But ice sounds are sharp, irregular, chaotic. This sound was smooth, Another explanation involved underwater earthquakes. But seismic events create sudden spikes, not slow rises and controlled falls. Then came underwater landslides. Massive ones can move enormous amounts of material. But simulations showed something strange. Landslides lose energy quickly. This sound didn't. Each explanation solved part of the puzzle, but never the whole picture. And in science, when nothing fully fits, you don't force an answer. You wait. Facts that make it worse. Here's what makes this story truly unsettling. The deep ocean is still largely unknown. New species are discovered regularly. Some don't rely on sunlight at all. Some create light chemically. Some communicate using vibrations we barely understand. Life adapts, but adaptation has limits. To generate a sound this powerful, at that depth, would require something extraordinary. Something capable of withstanding pressure, maintaining structure, and interacting with the ocean itself. And no known organism fits all those requirements, which leaves us with a difficult truth. Either our understanding of deep-sea life is incomplete, or the sound came from a process we haven't yet identified. The questions: why was this sound so isolated? Why hasn't it been recorded in the same way since? If it was natural, why does it stand alone? And if it wasn't, what other signals have we already missed? The ocean doesn't reveal its secrets easily. Sometimes it only leaves behind traces, fragments, echoes, enough to remind us that we're still outsiders. Finally, there's one detail that continues to trouble researchers. The sound didn't fade naturally. It ended, as if the process that created it simply stopped. No gradual decay, no trailing chaos, just silence. And that silence raises a question far more unsettling than the sound itself. What creates a signal like that and then disappears? We like to believe the unknown lies in space, but sometimes it lies beneath our feet. If the ocean can produce a sound powerful enough to cross an entire planet and still remain unexplained, what else has it already hidden from us?
Subscribe to the unseen, because some truths are meant to stay hidden.